Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check your Cash App card shipping details and track its delivery. First, open Cash App and tap on the profile icon at the top right of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your card shipping details. Next, select the support option. This section gives you access to helpful resources, including information about your Cash card. Then, choose card delivery to see shipping details. Keep in mind that a Cash App card typically takes up to 14 business days to arrive, so you'll know what to expect. Scroll down to the Contact Us section and tap Chat Us to communicate directly with the Cash App support team. This is where you can ask specific questions about your card's delivery status. When messaging support, make sure to write a clear and detailed note. Include information like when you ordered your card and any other relevant details to help them respond quickly. After sending your message, wait for a reply from support. They will provide updates or solutions, completing the tracking process. And that's it. Following these steps will help you stay updated on your Cash App card delivery.